In this video tutorial, we demonstrate how to configure motion detection recording on the latest version of Hikvision HVR or DVR using a TV or monitor screen. Follow our step-by-step guide to set up motion detection and ensure your security system captures all important events efficiently. To start configuring this, log into the DVR admin account by right-clicking and selecting a menu. For demonstration, we will use Camera 4 to enable the motion detection recording feature in this DVR. First, enable the event recording under the system. Then go to the Record menu, followed by the Schedule menu. Select the camera for which you want to enable motion detection, event recording, in the Schedule submenu. Click on the Edit button to choose between continuous or event recording for each weekday, setting the schedule from 0 hours to 24 hours. For each hour, you can set it up for either continuous or motion, event, recording by specifying the start and end time field. For example, if you toggle all day, it will set the entire 24/7 schedule to either continuous or event recording based on your selection. Each hour is represented as a block. The red block indicates motion, event, recording, while the blue block indicates continuous recording. If you toggle off the All Day option, you can customize the recording for each hour, choosing between continuous or event recording, as shown in the video. Each day is divided into up to 7 time segments, allowing you to set the start and end times and choose the recording mode according to your needs. For example, on Tuesday, we have configured the following recording schedule. Segment 1, continuous recording from midnight to 7 o'clock. Segment 2, event recording from 7 to 1800 hours. Segment 3, continuous recording from 1800 hours to 2400 hours. You can also apply these Tuesday settings to other weekdays. Simply click on the Copy to option and select the other day you want to apply the same settings to. Click the Apply button once you have set the recording schedule. Note, in this demonstration, we have enabled motion recording for Camera 4. You can use the same procedure to configure other cameras as well. Once you have configured the scheduled recording, make sure to enable motion detection for the related camera. Go to System Settings, then select Event, followed by Normal Event, and choose Motion Detection. Select the cameras for which you have configured the recording schedule. After selecting the cameras, toggle Enable to activate motion detection. Adjust the detection sensitivity and detection target according to your preference. Click the Draw Area button to draw the region in the camera's view that you want to use to trigger the recording. Note: left-click to point and define the area, then finalize by right-clicking. Click Apply once you have confirmed the area or region. In the arming schedule, make sure to enable All Day if you want the motion detection to be active throughout the day. In the linkage action, make sure to disable normal linkage notifications to avoid disturbances from motion notifications on your mobile app or TV monitor screen. That's all. Camera number 4 will record when movement is detected according to the configured recording schedule. You can also set the pre-recording and post-recording duration in seconds to capture footage before and after motion detection. This helps ensure that you don't miss any important moments surrounding the event. For this setting, go to Schedule, then click Advanced. Here, you can adjust the pre-recording and post-recording durations according to your needs. Click Apply once you have configured these parameters. As per our camera for recording schedule, the DVR will start capturing motion or events as they occur. During idle times, it won't record, and recording will be continuous when configured for continuous recording. As per our camera for recording schedule, the DVR will start capturing motion or events as they occur, with a bell symbol indicating that. During idle times, it won't record, and recording will be continuous when configured for continuous recording. Note, by default, the post-recording duration is set to 30 seconds, so the recording will continue for up to 30 seconds after an event occurs. The recorded video can be viewed under the Playback option. In the Event section, you will see blue and red marks on the timeline bar representing continuous and motion recording activity, respectively. Any non-recorded time will appear as empty on this timeline bar. For more details about the playback feature, please check out another video in this series where we provide a comprehensive explanation. If you found this video useful, please consider supporting us. Your support helps us create more informative content like this and enables us to continue providing valuable resources to our audience. Whether it's through liking, sharing, or subscribing to our channel, every bit of support is greatly appreciated.